Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing shaft and coupling repair. First of all, we will do the repair on the shaft because the customer welded himself. I just hope it will be parallel. I hope this will be good enough. We are just under 24mm in diameter of the shaft, so I can do the coupling a bit smaller. And about the coupling, first of all we have to make a holder for cutting a keyway. So the big diameter should sit on a ledge of a coupling and the smaller diameter should go inside of a coupling. Now just make the slot for the cutter itself and we can do the coupling. unfortunately I didn't have a time to record the keyway cutting, so here is the final product, and in another video I will show you the keyway cutting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.